In this lesson, we will review the process used to print reports from the PES software. To open the Print Reports module, click on the Print menu icon. Once the module is open, select the company, then select the individual you would like to print on the report. Using the drop-down menu, select your company, your candidate on the drop-down menu, select the candidate. Let's review some of the other options of printing from the PES system before we actually get to selecting the reports themselves. Here we have options which you can preview before printing, or you can click it and print without previewing. Here we have an explanation of the options available from the preview menu. Pointing to these items, you will see a drop-down box explaining exactly what these items do. Below that, we have the number of copies that you'd like to print. Below this, we have the default printer. To change the printer, you would click on the Print Setup button, which gives you the option to select a different printer. Clicking on the Reset Options button will actually set all your options back to the default settings. You can change your header for the report that you're going to print. This is the Print Report button, and of course your Exit button. Now let's look at the Select a Report options. The first report is called a Candidate Biographical Data Report. This information would come from the Candidate module. Company Data Report is information on the company, which comes from the Company module. Normative Pattern Report will actually give you a list of all normatives within your system. The Profile Evaluation Fact Sheet will print out all the information from the selected candidate. This would include their scores, the normative being used, and their answers. The Invoices gives you the ability to print an invoice. Meter Activity Statement will give you a report on the meters being transmitted and meters being received. Now below this, we have the actual reports that you can print out on an individual. You have a Profile Coaching Report, Hiring Report, and Personal Report. On these three types of reports, you can print out a personality only or a full report which has personality and mental aptitudes. Below that, you have your norm suitability score, which you can turn on and off, which work with the Profile Coaching Report and the Profile Hiring Report only. Let's print a report. Here I selected the Profile Coaching Report and I selected a full report. I already have my company and my candidate selected. So now I click on the Print Report button. Once you click on the Print Report button, you'll notice a message that will say, "Please wait formatting your report. This may take a minute." The amount of time it takes to actually print a report onto the screen or your printer will depend on your processing speed. Once the report has been printed in the preview screen, you can page through the report and actually look at what the report will look like, for the most part, when it's printed. Remember that your screen resolution and your printer resolution are different. So when you see certain words that do not go all the way over to the margin, this is only on your screen. This should not happen when you actually print out your report. You can change viewable report size so that you can look at the pages that have actually been printed. To print the report, you would click on the little printer icon and then select all pages or specific pages that you would like to print, and then click the OK button. This will send the information to your printer. That's all there is to printing a report using the PES software. You can come back and view this information anytime you choose.